Hello, how to solve for power x equals 500. We are solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So we start by taking log 4 power x equals log 500. Now, if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So this will be x log 4 equals log 500. We divide this by log 4. We divide this by log 4. Log 4 eliminates log 4. So we have x equals log 500 divided by log 4. From here, you can have x equals log 500 is simply 25 times 20. 500 is 25 times 20. This is divided by log 4. Now, if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So from here, you will have x equals log 25 plus log 20 divided by log 4. So from here we can have x equals log 25 divided by log 4 plus log 20 divided by log 4. From here we can have x equals log 25 is simply 5 power 2 divided by log 4 is log 2 power 2 plus log 20 divided by log 4. So from here, if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So the 2 comes over here, and this also comes over here. So what we are going to have will be x equals 2 times log 5 divided by 2 times log 2 plus log 20 divided by log 4. So 2 eliminate 2. We have x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 20 divided by log 4. Now I can have x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 20. I can express it as 4 times 5 divided by log 4. So remember, log a times b equals log a plus log b. So right here, x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. So from here, we have x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. This eliminates this. So we have x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. I can express it as log 2 to the power of 2. So based on the same identity of log a power b, this equals b times log a. So x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus 1 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. The 2 here come behind that. So what do we do? Consider this identity. Log a divided by log b equals log a to the base of b. So from here we have x equals log 5 to the base of 2 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 2. So we can add this to this. The coefficient here is 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus half is 1.5. That is 3 over 2. So we have x equals, you add 1 plus 1 over 2, the coefficient of this and this is over 1. LCM is 2. 2 times 1, 2 divided 1, 2 times this is 2 plus this is 1. This is 3 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 2. Adding this to this is 3 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 2 plus 1 is our final answer. So our final answer is x equals 3 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 2 plus 1. We can set that value back right here. For power x equals 500. X is 3 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 2 plus 1. Meaning 4 power 3 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 2 plus 1 equals 500. I can simply have this as 2 power 2, that is 4, raised to the power of 3 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 2 plus 1. And this equals 500. I can multiply this out. 2 times 3. So you have 2 power 2 times 3. That is 6 over 2. That is 3 log 5 to the base of 2 plus 2 times 1. That is 2 equals 500. Now, if you have a log b, this equals log b power a. So the 3 can come over here. So that is 2 power log 5 to the power of 3 to the base of 2 plus 2 equals 500. Now this will give you 2 power log 5 to the power of 3, that's 5 times 5 times 5, that's 125 to the base of 2 plus 2 equals 500. Now, if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power m, meaning that we are simply going to have 2 power log 125 to the base of 2 times 2 power 2 equals 500. Now, if you have a power log b to the base of a, this equals b. So 2 power log 125 to the base of 2 will give you 125 times 2 power 2, that is 4, equals 500. Now 125 times 4 is 500, and this equals 500. So guys, this is it. Our answer is correct, and that is it. Thank you and goodbye.